How to fix Skype account hacked. First of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been officially discontinued as of 2025 and it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So if your Teams account is hacked, all you have to do is, first of all, head to the official Microsoft security dashboard using any web browser of your choice. From there, you simply have to log in using your Microsoft credentials, then select the password security option and choose a strong unique password character combining letters, numbers, and symbol. Now you simply have to check the box to force log out of all sessions if prompted, ensuring the hack is instantly booted off. Now you simply have to go ahead and use the Microsoft account recovery form, and then from there, you can simply check and clean up the security info. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.